Hey, it's Joe Crump. Today I'm going to ask for a favor. Usually I'm giving you lots of real estate information and a lot of details about how to invest. Today I've got something a little bit different and I need your help on it. As you know, or at least some of you know, I also make movies and we just sold one of our movies. We're getting ready to have a theatrical release on September 21st. And simultaneous with that theatrical release in Los Angeles, which is going to be just a short-run theatrical release to help us launch our video-on-demand release, we're going to also be releasing it on Amazon Prime. And one of the things that would be extremely helpful if you have an Amazon Prime account is to go onto Amazon, watch my movie, and give us a good review. Good reviews will help us move up in our algorithm on Amazon and get us more organic searches from that medium and help us get our movie out there to more people. So if you could do that for me, I would really appreciate it. And what I'm going to do as a return for anybody who does that for me, I'm going to hold a conference call, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a call, and I'm going to call it How to Make Your First $5,000 in Real Estate. And I'm going to spend an hour on the phone on a conference call explaining to you folks how to get started, how to get, pull the trigger in business, and how to get your first deal done, how to make your first money. And there's going to be no charge for it. And then after that, I'll open up the call and I'll answer all your questions about that process and any other questions you might have about real estate. I'll just stay on the line and try to answer as many questions as I can during the time that we have. So if you can do that for me and email it to me, I'll put a link below on where you can find the movie, and I'll also send it to my, just send me an email and saying you watched the movie and you put up a review, and hopefully it'll be a good review. If you can't give me a good review, don't give me a review. Instead, I'll still let you come to the thing. Just send me an email saying I watched it. I couldn't give you a great review, but I do appreciate the effort you put in, and I'd still love to come to your call, and I'll be happy to do that for you as well. Just the fact that you watched it and put that effort in is worth it to me. But if you can give me a 5-star review, that would be wonderful as well. So I'll put the information below in a link, and you can check it out, and I hope you enjoy the movie. And I'm going to put at the end of this little video here, I'm going to put the trailer of the movie. It's a movie that you can watch with your whole family. It's got magic in it. It's got family in it. It's a lot of fun. I'm really proud of it, and we put a lot of work into it, and we've won a bunch of awards in the film festivals that we've been to over the last year. And now we're finally getting our theatrical and video-on-demand release, so everybody's going to be able to see it, and so we're excited about it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Take a look at the trailer, which is coming up next.
I wonder sometimes that eternity can feel so short.
They told me you were dead. I knew you weren't.
Are you homeless or something?
You mustn't tell them.
Your secret is safe with me.
Do you ever wish you could grow up like everyone else?
All right, show me what you got, kid.
Feels like a million miles between us.
I'll be here when you're ready.
There you are.
For us to begin again. My heart is here for the taking. Together we will be okay.
You kept it. It's a good day, Jen.
Yeah, I bet.
To stay, yeah. My heart is here for the taking. Together we will be okay.
I will always be here.
I will always be here.
I am
Here to stay.
There's some magic you have to leave fairyland to find.